How does a price increase on site affect the performance and learning of different campaign types?
If we're talking about the overall conversion path that a person takes before they buy, there is going to be a time lag there, and there's going to be a pipeline that is being filled there. So what you've done is you've invited a user to the site by a $10 product, and then you show them a remarketing ad on the $10 product. And then they came back to their site and saw it was $13. You're changing the price halfway through a lot of people's path in the pipeline. And what that's going to do is actually offset the people that were ready to buy a 10, but not a 13. A $1, $2 change, you're fine. A doubling of your price, you have to wipe out everybody that you've known so far, let that fizzle out and die, start bringing in new traffic that are okay with that new price, and then watch how those people convert, which is your time lag. So if you have a 20-day time lag, the people that are interested on day one, that will finally fall off by day 20, that has to go through its cycle. And of this day that you made the price change, the day one from that point in time is now the next 20 days of what that person is going to take to convert. So if you have a 20-day time lag, you change your price, wait 20 days.